Welcome everyone to a brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Boxing Star in which you can get free unlimited gold and a free store mod. And this modded version is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And later in this video I'll be outlining some steps that make up a method which will allow you to basically download this modded version of Boxing Star on either of your Android and iOS devices. So this basically drags you out of the worry of whichever device you're using. It does not matter. What matters the most is that you have to follow the steps properly. I'll be showing you later in this video, and by doing that, so you'll be able to get this modded version of Boxing Star called Boxing Star Plus Plus downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices pretty simply, easily, and quickly. So first things first, let me just give you an understanding of what the mod is. So basically, the mod gives you a free store mod through which you can get free unlimited gold. So for example, if I had the normal version of Boxing Star, and if I wanted to buy gold in the normal version of the game, I would go up to the store and I would definitely need to purchase the packages for gold, and for that I would have to pay real money. But in this modded version, as you can see, I'm in the store and all these different packages of golds are costing me $0. It doesn't matter how big or how small the package is, all of them are costing me $0. And since they're costing me $0, I don't have to pay anything, and the moment I click on a particular package, that particular amount of gold is transferred to my personal gold. And this way I am getting free gold in this modded version because the store is costing me nothing. The store is entirely free. And I can go on to purchase these gold in any amounts. Like, it is entirely up to me. Like, I can purchase as much gold as I want, and there's no certain limit of how much gold I can purchase in a certain period of time, and there's no certain time limit within which I cannot purchase gold. It is entirely infinite. And since mostly this is the main thing that people purchase with real money, the other things within the game are mostly purchased by the gold. So since you have unlimited gold, you can get all those things for free as well. For example, if something is costing you 150,000 gold and you have 10,000 gold, you'll just come up to the store and add up to 150,000 gold and then go and purchase that particular item or thing or whatever that is. And this makes your game a whole lot more interesting, easier, entertaining, fun, and makes your profile much more strengthier, stealthier, and competitive, in the sense that you get a lot of strong and cool, powerful items that other people wouldn't have, and it would normally take them more than a few months to get those things. And if not a few months, they would need to spend real money. But in this case, for you, it will be instant and free, whereas for other people, it would certainly be the matter of time or the matter of spending real money. So this is a great modded version. It is downloadable and compatible with both, like I just said earlier in this video, it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. So I'll just be closing the game now over here, and then I'll be deleting it so that we can move on to the steps. So this is the Boxing Star modded version, the Boxing Star Plus Plus, that offers you a free store mod through which you can get free unlimited gold and a lot of other things as well. So let me just close the game, okay? So right underneath the home icon is the game icon for Boxing Star Plus Plus. This is called the Boxing Star Plus Plus, the modded version of Boxing Star. I'll just delete it so that I can show you how to install it again, and we'll go through this together. You guys will watch and learn. So there you go. So now the first thing you have to do is basically locate and open the settings of your phone, just like this. And step number one in the settings is that you have to go to your general settings above Control Center, and inside general settings go to background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage, and make sure that your background app refresh is on nothing but on Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number one, which is only for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, you'll have to skip to step number 2 and 3, because step number 1 is only for iOS devices because there's no background app refresh in Android devices. But you have to make sure you do this on your iOS devices, otherwise your downloading process will be affected. After you've completed this, exit your general settings and go down to your browser settings. Go to the settings of the browser you will be using to download this modded version, and go to the privacy and security section of your browser settings and make sure to unblock all cookies by turning off the setting that says block all cookies, because if your cookies are blocked, your downloading process will be affected. This is step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to ensure that you have unblocked all the cookies for the particular browser you'll be using. After that, go to your battery settings and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. This is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to make sure that your power saving mods are off, because if they're on, your downloading process will again be affected. And once you've completed these 3 steps within the settings of your phone, all you have to do is basically simply close the settings, because that's the only contribution they make to this method. And after that, open the particular browser for which you've unblocked all the cookies, and into that particular browser's search engine bar type in tweaksky.com. So type in tweaksky.com into the search engine bar of that particular browser and click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list contains a lot of cool things, and if you can't find anything in this list, which is highly unlikely, you may go on top in search bar and type it in there and you'll be able to find it. But there you go, I just found the Boxing Star Plus Plus. It says free store mod, all items in store are free, unlimited golden coins. So if it's signed or not revoked, you can just go on to install it by clicking here and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And once the injection process finishes, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, and this is the final and the most easy step as well of this method. So let's just proceed and let me show you how it's done. So basically, I have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2, and I'll certainly be completing 2 easiest of all the offers. And my first one is going to be, let me just check, I'll go for an easy one. My first one is going to be the social calendar. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. And remember, they've instructed me to run this app at 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've probably completed the instruction. And you might not notice it because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, and I would recommend you guys to do the same as well. Run it for 40 to 50 seconds. I've completed my offer number 1, and now I'll be completing my offer number 2, which is going to be present. Yes, I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds again. This is a similar kind of an offer, but a different app, but still I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to assure the completion of my offer. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps just to optimize your storage, because they occupy space in your phone for no reason. And once you've completed both your offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and your modded version of Boxing Star Plus Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another video. Until then, bye.